you saying it's from the future?
One possible future.
Right.
Looks like a goddamn town meeting.
It's the only way of getting the intelligence I need.
Ripley, you blow the transaxle! You're just grinding metal! Come on, he's down!
Tú eres el hijo de Satanás! And hell followed with him.
Fine, but we're taking my car. I'm riding with you.
You do this every day?
Yes, every day.